నిద్ర లేకపోవడం వల్ల, కంటిపై ఒత్తిడి పడడం వల్ల, లేక ఇతర కారణాల వల్ల కళ్ళ దగ్గర నల్లటి వలయాలు ఏర్పడతాయి. కొందరిలో కళ్ళు ఉబ్బిపోతాయి. ఉదయాన్నే కాఫీ తాగగానే కప్పులో మిగిలిపోయిన కాఫీ గ్రౌండ్స్ను పక్కన పెట్టుకోండి. చల్లారిన తర్వాత కళ్ళ కింద అప్లై చేయండి. కాసేపయ్యాక చల్లని నీటితో కడిగేసుకోండి. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hello everyone, welcome to Stree. Myself Dibyani Mishra, the chief designer at Stree. Today I'm going to showcase a collection of trendy kurtas from our brand. Let's move on to the first kurta. So this kurta is in a pink color and it has a deep V neckline. The kurta is detailed with a silver detailing at the neckline. It is detailed with fine pleats which has a lot of flare. The hemline of the kurta is detailed with colorful pleats and silver border going all along the diameter, which gives an interesting look to the entire kurta. You can pair this kurta with your favorite kind of trousers and it will be suitable for any kind of occasion. Just style it up your way, depends on you. It's a beautiful golden yellow color kurta which has a lot of layers and a beautiful flare attached to it. The first layer has a very interesting border which is in off-white and golden color, which is going all along the diameter of the first layer. This kurta is also detailed with ruffles attached to the sleeves, as you can see, which gives an interesting pattern to the entire look of the kurta. This kurta is in a beautiful red color, as you can see. The collar has a beautiful tie-up pattern which has interesting tassels attached to it. The kurta is detailed with pleats which gives a lot of flare to the entire garment. You can style up this kurta with your favorite kind of trousers and can hit any kind of occasion. The next kurta is in a beautiful bright yellow color. It's an anarkali kurta which has a lot of cullis attached to it. It has a sweetheart neckline and the fabric is of raw silk. The kurta has a puff sleeves made out of tissue which has interesting detailing attached to the hemline of the sleeves. It has interesting detailing attached to the shoulders. The next kurta is a yellow colored, again a bright yellow colored kurta which has a very interesting detailing going on at the hemline, which is made up of net. It has ruffles attached to it and it has a beautiful border attached to the hemline which gives it a striking feature. It has detailing at the waistline also. It has a lot of flares which adds an edgy look to the entire garment. You can wear this kurta as it is or you can pair it off with your favorite pair of trousers and a dupatta and it will go with everything. Depends on how you style it. The next kurta is of raw silk in a beautiful purple color. The kurta has a very interesting yoke which is detailed with ruffles attached to the yoke. It has this lace detailing attached to each and every panel of the kurta, which is again an interesting factor of this kurta. It has a V neckline at the back and a back tie-up as well for proper fit of the kurta. You can wear this kurta as it is or you can pair it off with your favorite kind of trousers and you can hit any occasion. It will go with everything. There is another kurta in raw silk which is in rose pink color. The kurta is detailed with the front panel which has a tie-up attached to it. The front panel is highlighted with handwork. It has flared sleeves made out of soft net which is again highlighted with the hand embroidery. It has a beautiful silver lace attached to the hemline of the sleeves which adds an edgy look to the kurta. You can pair this kurta with a pair of dhoti pants and a beautiful dupatta for any occasion. Just style it your way. So again, it's a bright pink kurta with a lot of detailing going on at the hemline. So you can see there's panels attached to the kurta, which is in a striking green color, which adds a very interesting factor to the kurta. The hemline is detailed with layers of borders, which is a pleated golden border. We also have a yellow colored pom-pom lace border, which further adds an interesting factor to the kurta. The kurta is adorned with a lot of flair, and you can wear it as a dress. You can pair it off with a favorite pair of trousers and put a very heavy embroidered dupatta. It can go with anything. It is again a silk based kurta which has a buta pattern going all over the kurta. It is basically a short kurta. It has a sharara pant. It's a pleated sharara actually. It has a lot of flares because of the pleats. We have constructed the sharara with fine pleats to give the flares to the pants. You can pair it up with very heavy embroidered dupatta, maybe a chanderi or a chikankari dupatta, preferably of this color, and you can pair it up with a favorite kind of jewelries and just hit any occasion. So hope you have liked the collection of kurtas. You can visit our Instagram page, which is Sri Official, and you can also DM us for any queries, or else you can visit our store, which is at Jubilee Hills.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా లుక్స్. కాఫీని ఐస్ క్యూబ్స్లో వేసి ఫ్రిడ్జ్లో పెట్టండి. అవసరమైనప్పుడు ఆ క్యూబ్స్ను తీసుకుని ముఖంపై మర్దన చేసుకోండి. దీనివల్ల బ్లడ్ సర్క్యులేషన్ పెరుగుతుంది, చర్మం నిగారింపు సంతరించుకుంటుంది, ఫ్రెష్ లుక్